Hello, my name is Ken Burke, and I'm your elected Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller for Pinellas County. We have created a series of videos to assist you with completing the forms or packets that you will submit to either initiate your case or address issues that have arisen in a pending case. To ensure that your documents are processed quickly and efficiently, it is important that the documents are completed fully and properly. This short video will take you through the forms or packets as well as answer some of the most frequently asked questions. At any time, please feel free to pause the video and take a moment to fill out the applicable section. Once you have completed the form or packet, please refer to our website or contact our office for instructions on how and where to submit these documents. Should you have any additional questions regarding a family law, small claims, or landlord-tenant case, affordable legal services are offered through the Clerk's Self-Help Center. Please visit our website at www.mypinellasclerk.org for additional information. Thank you.
To initiate a civil contempt or enforcement proceeding against a party who is not complying with a prior court order for alimony and/or child support, you must file a motion with the court explaining what the other party has failed to do. While the clerk of the court cannot provide legal advice, the Self-Help Center has attorneys on hand for a reduced rate to assist with any questions for parties representing themselves. Go to mypinellasclerk.org to find out more information on assistance for self-representation. First, let's go over the information that is required on pleadings filed. The header will need to be completed for each document filed. Pinellas County is in the 6th Judicial Circuit Court. The case style states who is the petitioner and who is the respondent in a lawsuit. The person who originally asks for legal action is called the petitioner and remains the petitioner throughout the case. The person against whom the original legal action is being requested is called the respondent because he or she is expected to respond to the petition. Your case number is a unique number used to identify your legal action. They are assigned in sequential order in the court it is filed in and will be provided to you when you file your case. A case number may also be referred to as a reference number or UCN number. Always remember to sign and date any form where a signature is required. Some forms, such as affidavits, are notarized documents. Wait to sign these forms until you are in the presence of a notary or deputy clerk. Please bring photo ID with you. When you file a document with the court, you must also provide a copy to the other party. Be sure to put in the correct information of service on each form. If someone other than an attorney in good standing with the Florida Bar Association helped you fill out a form in this packet, enter their name and contact information on the forms that request it. Read all forms and complete the required fields. Please make sure to provide accurate information and print clearly. All questions need to be answered. Florida Rule of Judicial Administration 2.545 Section D requires the petitioner in a family law case to file with the court a notice of related cases, if any. A case is considered related if it involved the same parties, children, or issues and is still pending when the family law case is filed. A case can also be related if it affects the court's jurisdiction, or an order in the new case will affect an order on the same issues in a different case. Always read through the entire motion before filling in information in the fields provided. Check the box that applies to your case. If there are no related cases, check the appropriate box and proceed to sign and date the notice. If there are cases related to your new action, list the case information in the provided fields. Check the box that corresponds with the related case type. If none of the options apply, use the other box to enter the case type. Check the box as to where your case was filed. Fill in the state where the case is filed if it was not in Florida. Fill in the name of the court and the last order or judgment filed in the case. For example, if your case is in Pinellas County, the name of the court would be the 6th Circuit Court, Pinellas County, Florida. Next, check the boxes that apply to the relationship between the two cases. Include further detail of the relationship below. If you have more than one related case, list each one separately in the spaces provided. If you would like the related cases to be coordinated between the two courts, check the appropriate box and list the case number in the space provided. Check the box that best fits your situation. If you are unsure which one to check, you may need to consult with an attorney. Remember to sign and date the completed form. Next, you will fill out the Family Law Cover Sheet. This document is used for reporting judicial information pursuant to the Florida statutes. Place a check beside the type of proceeding you are initiating. If you are simultaneously filing more than one type of proceeding against the same opposing party, such as a modification and an enforcement proceeding, complete a separate cover sheet for each action being filed. If you are reopening a case, choose one of the 3 options that correspond with the motion or petition you are filing. Check the box that most closely matches the action you are filing. If you are reopening the case for further action, this section can be left blank. Check the box that correlates to your knowledge of related cases. Complete the signature, printed name, email, and date. In this form, you will state what order or judgment the other party is not complying with and provide an explanation of noncompliance. A motion is a written request to the court to obtain a ruling on the case or a particular issue. Check the appropriate box for which party is filing the motion. These party assignments do not change based on who is filing the motion. If you brought the initial action, you are the petitioner. Enter all of the information related to the noncompliance of the other party. Include as much relevant information as possible, and if you have any supporting documentation, attach a copy to your motion. In this section, you will enter the relief sought if your motion is granted. You may check more than one box if additional relief is requested. The motion must be notarized. This means you will wait to add your signature until you are in the presence of a notary or deputy clerk. If your case will need to be set for a hearing, it is your responsibility to contact the judicial assistant for the judge that is assigned to your case or family law to set a hearing date. Once you have set your hearing, complete this form and make copies. File the original and serve a copy to the other party. Enter the full name of the other party. Enter the hearing information provided by judge's office, including date, time, and courthouse location. Read through the information at the bottom of the motion and order, which provides information should you need an accommodation to attend the non-jury trial. This should be done at least 7 days before your scheduled court appearance. When you file a motion with the court, you must also serve a copy on the other party. Check the box for the method of service and the contact information for the other party. If someone other than an attorney in good standing with the Florida Bar Association helped you fill out this form, enter their name and contact information. If you have any questions about filing your case with the Pinellas County Clerk's Office, please contact us at 727-464-7000 or make an appointment to speak with an attorney at any of our 3 self-help centers.